Good morning, everyone. My name is Moksha. Today's thought of the day is the future depends on what you do today. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sam Venkatasai. I am from third standard. Today's GK question is: in which year Telangana state was formed? The correct answer is 2014. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Vasavi Kingdom FM. Your lunchtime buddy. I am your RJ Shivakumar. Today, fun is: did you know a giraffe trunk is 45 centimeters long? Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nayandeep. Here is the story for you. The sleepy seed, a little seed slept quietly in the soil. Rain came and sunshine. Soon it became a tall and strongly moral, patient and care. It grew beautifully. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nikshay. Here is a tongue twister for you. Green grass globes grow greenly. That's all for today. Keep smiling and keep listening to Vasavi KDF, and thank you.